Hi guys, Brian from PM Bots here. Quick video on the skill, the ability to facilitate, and we're going to look specifically at Carl Rogers' theories in this area. Now, as a project manager, there will be times when you need to facilitate workshops, meetings, events that have specific outcomes where you need to draw out the answers from the group. No one individual has all the answers, can solve all the problems. Now, it also needs to be said that as a project manager, we need a vast range of skills that includes the other side of the equation: directing, controlling, executing, being an executive, i.e. ensuring things are followed through and completed. But that's not the full picture, and facilitation is an essential part of any project manager's toolkit. So Rogers, he was part of the humanist movement, and he really promoted treating people as individuals and helping them find their own solutions to problems, as opposed to the teacher, the coach, the authority figure dictating and determining solutions. So Roger identified 3 elements which he felt were essential for effective facilitation. These were congruence, empathy, and respect. If we look at them in isolation, congruence, this is about having a sense of authenticity and honesty in your communications with the individual. Empathy was all about understanding the other person's position, their emotions, their situation, their stories. And finally, respect. Respect was all about demonstrating positive regard to the individual. Roger subscribed to the belief that he couldn't teach anybody anything. He can merely provide the environment which is conducive to learning. This is the guiding principle of his theory. So in summary, when you're dealing with people, it pays to think of them as individuals and to try and keep these principles in your mind as you create the environment for the conversations, for the problem solving arenas. Number 1, respect. Treat the person with respect as an individual, and that extends to individuals within a group setting. Treat them with a degree of congruence. You want to be honest in your communications with them, authentic, and finally, empathy. Can you try and understand their point of view? So with congruence, with respect in our dealings with the individual, and with empathy, all of a sudden we've got access to the information. We've given the individual the best opportunity to find the answers, to express their feelings, and it arms us with the most richest data that we can then use in our decision making processes as project managers. So I've been Brian from PM Bots. Hopefully that's been a useful introduction to Carl Rogers' facilitation theory with specific regard to the practice of project management.